Hello mga bibi! Hello, hello, hello! So, today I am in Wales. I'm going to explore Wales. Akala mo naman buong Wales, ang laki-laki ng Wales, pero dito lang kami sa isang area ng Wales that we are going to find falls. Kasi, ewan ko ba, na-mention ko sa aking anak na gusto kong maligo sa falls. So, she's taking me to the falls. And we are at the waterfall country. Yes, ang tawag sa lugar na to ay waterfall country. So, walk tayo and then maghahanap kami ng falls and tingnan natin kung kaya ng powers ni BB Carms at tayo ay maliligo. So, we'll see. Join me. So, we're starting our journey. Ayan na, may nakita na akong water. See? There's some water na. So, ayan na, pwede na ako maligo dyan. Okay, we will see if we can tolerate this, if we can manage to reach the falls. Yeah, I can hear the splash of the water. May water na doon. See? Na? I am in the nature and I'm looking at the nature and I'm recording what I can see in the nature. Ay, sorry. Shh, shh. You are the one who's loud. You are the one who's very noisy. I'm quiet. Look, ang ganda. We're giving Daddy a heart attack. Ang daming water. See? Oh, I can see falls. I can see falls. Water is coming. Galing. Galing. Oo. Takot ka, Dad? Pay attention kasi baka mahulog. Tingnan mo, oh. Ito na si.
Careful.
Tingnan mo. Ang taas na namin, oh. Nandun yung tubig sa baba. Hinihingal na ako. Pero, masaya. Masarap at masaya. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ayun, malalim na siya, oh. Ayan. Akyat baba. There are some places na mataas kami and there are some places na mababa kami. Pero ito, oh. Nag-rest kami, pero ito, tingnan mo ang aming itsura. Ang ganda-ganda. Tingnan mo, oh. It's so nice. Pwede ka mag-swimming dito para siyang swimming pool, oh. Ayan. Oh. Ayan. Ang ganda-ganda, no? Kung meron ba naman mga lugar na ganito lagi. Napaka-relaxing. It's so nice here. Oh, there are some places na meron silang ramp na ganito. Ayan. Kasi muddy ang ibang area, ganyan. So they put some ramp para mas malinis. It's clean and safe. Oh, we're going on the next ridge. So I don't know where are we going. We're going high up. See, tingnan nyo. Paakyat na naman kami. We're going up. And you will hear me breathless again. Pero magkara. Tingnan mo, oh. Paakyat yan, oh. Yan. Para makaburn ng calories. Pero masaya. I can smell smoke. Parang may nagsusunog. Nagkakaingin. In the Philippines, it's called kaingin. Yan, gagawa sila ng charcoal. Oh. Yan, look kung gaano kami kataas. Mataas na naman kami. What's that? Where? Can see. Oh yes, there's a deer there. Oh, may deer daw doon sa taas. Ayun. Ayan, oh. Ayan siya. Ayan. Oh, wala na. I know. It was running. Sige na. Ayan na naman. Oh, every time you see areas na may black na ganyan, so it means that it's muddy. So, Since ayaw kong dumaan dyan, we will find somewhere to pass na hindi medyo madumi. So, dito tayo sa gilid. Here. We pass the area here para hindi tayo madumihan. So, then, I will try to climb. Kung makaklimb ako, but then I don't think that I can. Oh! There. Let us see kung kaya. Right, let me just climb and leave you alone for a minute. Ayan. There's some, no! Ito, may mga bato. There's some stones that you can step to avoid the mud. Oh, langga, I know that already. See? Oh, may mga caves na naman doon, oh. Ang ganda, oh. Ah, ang lalim na. Ito yung, this is what you say that, you know, if you want to do something, if you want to achieve something, if you want to achieve something, you have to work hard for it. So since I want to see falls and try if I can actually have a nice swim or bath in the falls, then eto, hinihingal na ako. I am breathless. But never mind.
You look like Dora the Explorer, me. Ingat ka dun, Dod.
It's a very nice area na. Ang ganda na siya. Oh. Diba? I think we are coming nearer and nearer and nearer to the bigger falls. So that's very nice. Ayan mga bibi. Yung falls doon, yun na yung pinakamalaki daw. So that's where we're going. But dito pa lang sa baba, ang ganda na. Look at this. Diba? Ang ganda na dito. Look at this. Langga, I will go there. Can you take me a video and picture? Oh, ito na. Medyo malapad-malapad. It's much more wider stone. And this is where we're going to walk towards the big falls. Well, some of the areas are quite slippery. So you just have to be careful when you're walking here. So, kaya stop muna tayo ng video. Kasi baka madulas ako. Okay? So, I'll show you later the bigger falls when I reach there. See you later. Here na. Yeah, that would be nice. Look, we are coming nearer. Nearer and nearer to the bigger falls. Yan. Oh. So actually you just have to avoid the mosque. Ano yan katawag? Mosque? M-O-S-K. Mosque. M-O-S-S. Mosque. Para hindi madulas. Ayan na siya. Coming near. So we're going to climb. We're going to climb on these stones here so that we can reach the top. It's not going to be easy, but never mind. I will try my best.
Go!
So mga bibi, we're here. We arrived. And that is the big falls here. Is this the biggest one? Langga, is this the biggest one or there's another one? A bigger one. Oh, hindi pa daw ito malaki. There will be another bigger one. So, we'll wait and see. That will be another height. So, hold on. We'll just take a picture. Ayan, lalapit tayo. Ang laki ng falls. There you are. Ang galing. Ayan. Siyempre, hindi pa ako maliligo. Ayaw nila ako papaliguin. Gusto ko na maligo. Ayaw nila. They don't want me to have a shower. Ayan, syempre, ang mga explorer nagutom at mabuti na lang at nakagawa kami ng masarap na egg sandwich with my lovely coffee. So, ayan. Another rule. Lahat ng basura, all the rubbish that you got, you have to take it away with you. So, kasi syempre, we have to look after the nature. And ito, pa-relax kami ni Mr. Mags. At syempre, date na rin namin ito. So, no bashing, ha? No bashing. Lambing-lambing muna kay Mr. Mags. I love you, Mr. Mags. In the Philippines, if you are walking in the forest like this, you have to say tabi tabi. Tabi tabi means excuse me to the spirits and how do you call them? So as what I was saying, in places like this, you have to say tabi tabi so that you will say to you're telling the supernatural creatures who lives in areas like this, excuse me, so that they will not be angry on you if you are passing by and you're making noise like me. So, ayan. And now we are on our way to the bigger falls. And we will see, syempre, hindi ako naligo doon sa small falls kasi ang lamig ng tubig. I don't think that I can tolerate it. But never mind. Maybe next time. Kasi medyo malamig pa. It's quite cold. The weather is still cold. So the water are too cold. And it's so nice in here. It's not yet very crowded. But there's a lot of people na. They're so polite. And that's what my daughter told me. Every time you pass by other people, you say, hi, hello. Be nice to them. Kasi in case of emergency or nothing or whatever, someone will remember na nakita ka nila. And they might be able to help you if in case of emergency. So, and I've been told of several times, I have to be quiet daw, sabi ng anak ko. Kasi I should not be noisy daw. Kaya, I'm trying to take a video discreetly. Okay, so let's go. Have a look what is being said here. Okay, danger, people have died swimming here. Ooh. In an emergency, call 999 and ask for police. Deaths and serious injuries have happened here due to hidden hazards under the water. Danger of being trapped underwater. Powerful water, strong underwater currents, and slippery rocks. Oh, there you are. Ayan mga bibi, when you come here, you have to be careful. So this is na daw where's the bigger falls. And you know, sometimes, hi mga bibi, ayan na, ang malaking falls. Kaya lang, it is so busy here. So I don't think that this is the falls for me. I would prefer the other one because it's quieter there. And it looks like the water is more and it's much more fun in there. So this one, I'll just have a look. Ay, ang saya lang. Parang obstacle course. Ayan. Na-measure na naman ang aking lakas dito sa lugar na ito. Pero I survive. Ayan. Paakyat ng paakyat, paakyat. We're going there. There. Oh, goy. Ayan. Careful, concentrate on where you're walking. We might slip and roll down the hill. Alright. Have you seen that big falls? It looks like a big falls from down there, but actually the water just comes from here. Look how quiet it is. But if it drops from the height, it's actually becoming a strong current of water. So, tingnan niyo, ang galing. Look. ang mga naughty kids, they use this rope as a swing and then they will jump down there. Kasi actually it is very deep in there. Yan. Ayan. We are now moving backwards. Back to the car park. Kasi we are done na. So have you seen that falls? The second falls that we've been to. Very dangerous pala yun. But then I think if the water is warmer, I will dip in. But it's because the water is freezing cold. Then wag na muna. Hindi kaya ng powers ko. But the hike was so good and you've seen the area, which is so beautiful. Ang ganda. Ang dami talagang magandang lugar dito sa England. Oh no, I'm not in England. I am in Wales. Yes, Wales na po ito, which is part of the United Kingdom. So, mga bibi, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed watching and coming along with me. Alright, bye!